wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best baby floats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Swimways Animal Friend makes for some great photo opportunities with your baby looking like they're riding a giraffe. Its adorable design is backed by essential features like a low center of gravity to prevent flipping over and a soft mesh seat for comfort. It includes a 3-point anchored sun cover. However, it is hard to see around the giraffe's head, and it really needs more support for infant use. At number 9, ideal for smaller children, the Speedo Baby Cruiser has a fabric-covered seat with a high backrest for added stability when they lean back and to improve swimming maneuvering. Its spacious canopy is more likely to stay in place if it's installed when wet. It grows with babies up to 33 pounds, and the sunshade is detachable, but it can leak air if overfilled. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Swim School Grow With Me does exactly that, beginning with children aged at the minimum of 18 months. Its 4-in-1 design starts off as a boat to introduce your little one to the pool, then it converts into a cruiser, a kick float and a kickboard as your child advances. It comes with 2 security handles and reliable no-leak air valves. However, there's no sun protection. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby floats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for the ultimate parent and baby pool bonding experience, the Pool Master Learn to Swim provides an open ring for adults to steer and a drop seat with ample paddling room for babies to build confidence as they'll think they're doing all the work. It's made out of durable vinyl with 2 integrated inflatable toys, but the sun shelter doesn't stay up well. Moving up our list to number 6, targeted at infants under 1 year old, the Pample Swim Ring secures around babies' necks to give them independent arm and leg movement. Its dual air system offers the right amount of buoyancy while also supporting the child without any discomfort. It's made from non-toxic materials and is great for bathtub use too. However, it requires constant supervision. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Intex Kiddie Float has a cover attached via Velcro that's not likely to fail even with some winds. It has leg holes that allow babies to practice kicking and moving in a specific direction, but its seat could be deeper to prevent kids from sitting too far forward. It's not susceptible to deflating and won't tip over easily, but the leg holes are snug on bigger kids. At number 4, the Swimways Tugboat has a charming design with an interactive steering wheel that will make your baby love the pool. A 4-position seat accommodates growing children for multiple season use, while a bottle holder helps ensure kids' comfort while playing. It features an awning that retracts for easy loading and a low mass center that prevents capsizing. However, the decals come off easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the R-Shiner Pool Boat has a large sunshade to protect your baby's sensitive skins while they float in the pool, and 2 handholds to make them feel secure. It's assembled out of eco-friendly PVC and is suitable for children between the ages of 1 and 3. It comes in bright and cheery colors with a steering wheel that keeps kids occupied. Its quality build holds air well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby floats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Intex Froggy Friend has generous-sized leg holes to easily place and remove baby without discomfort, and for additional legroom to kick around. Its 3 air chambers may seem inconvenient for parents, but they're useful safety precautions that prevent tipping over. It features a 25-pound weight limit, a lily pad-shaped sun cover, and a cute and playful design. And taking the top spot on our list, the Swimways Activity Center features a rotating octopus with a squeaker and a rattle toy to keep baby occupied, while a mesh seat keeps them comfortable for extended playtimes. The 2-position canopy helps protect delicate skin from the sun without hindering visibility. It's designed for babies 3 to 24 months old and includes a storage and travel bag and a removable awning. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baby floats, or simply click beneath this video.